Hey hackers, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the SecBSD installer image and turn it into a bootable USB drive. Pretty simple stuff, right? Before we get started though, a huge thanks to our sponsors, Lalo and OpenBSD Amsterdam. Your support means a lot to us. Alright, let's dive in. First, we'll hop into a temporary directory. This is where we're going to grab everything we need for the install. Then, we're going to fetch the SecBSD public key directly from the official servers using the FTP command. Easy, right? Once that's done, we'll download the actual installer image, the file called install18.img, and the SHA-256 signature file to verify it. I'm using SecBSD version 1.8 for this demo. Now, this installer image doesn't come with a desktop environment, and it's meant for folks who want to take full control of their system, building everything from scratch. Just a heads up, SecBSD follows a 6-month release cycle, so if you're watching this later, the version might be different. Just grab the latest version when you're ready. If you're not into setting up your system from the ground up, don't worry. SecBSD also has ready-to-go installation images with a variety of desktop environments or flavors. So, while I'm using the basic installer here, you can pick whichever image suits you best. Okay, now let's check if the file we downloaded is intact. It's just a quick step to make sure nothing got corrupted during the download. If you want a more secure check, use the signify command with the SHA-256 file to cryptographically verify the image. Now we're ready to create the bootable USB. So plug in your USB and let's copy the installer image onto it. Next, run the following command, 6ctlaw.disknames. For me, the USB drive shows up as SD1. Just remember, SD0 is my main hard drive, using the DD command. Switch to root or use the DOAs command, and make sure to type the command exactly as I'm doing in the terminal. And just a quick heads up, we're using the raw device RSD1C, not SD1C. Don't get that mixed up. Once everything is done, you should see something like what's shown in my terminal. Easy, right? And that's it. You've got your bootable USB ready to install SecBSD. If you find SecBSD useful, consider throwing a donation its way. It's free, but the devs do need a little support to keep pushing out future updates. In the next video, I'll walk you through how to install SecBSD on your system. Huge shout out to Banshee, Heartbleed, X0 Dark Padre, Out of Creativity, and BSD Bandit. Special thanks to the amazing people at Chaos Computer Club, Electronic Disturbance Theater, and Exploit Team. Let's hack the planet.